Fix the U-groove aluminum first. Note that each right angle needs to reserve 50 by 50 space. For use, replace the outer cylinder. Fix all or part of the U-groove aluminum and start the installation. Start the installation from the corner. Insert the first panel into the U-aluminum on the ground. Then place the outer arc in the corner to fix it with the first panel. The second panel is also inserted into the U-aluminum. Using screw, fix the U-aluminum groove and wall panel. Fixing the cut plastic strip. Next, install the inner arc. Use the internal 3T to find a good location. Use styrofoam or sealant to stick it well. The basic installation of clean room wall panels and aluminum profiles is ready. Here we use sample panels and aluminum alloy profile to show the step. The actual size will design according to your room requirements. Let's take a look at the overall effect. Next time we will introduce how to install the clean room ceiling.